Now that we've finished coloring all 4 of our Chinese inspired lantern panels, we now have to punch holes in each of them. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to take them all and flip them over so that their back is showing. And take your template. The template has a word. The word is top. You're going to line up the top of the template with the top back of one of your pieces. Line it up carefully, and you're just going to quickly trace each of these circles on both sides. And then you're going to take your hole punch and you're going to carefully punch each circle as precisely as you can. Once you're done one panel, take the template and trace. Make sure you're lining up with the top, the other 3 templates.